Looking for a hassle-free replacement remote for your Sony TV? This remote works just like the original, no complicated setup needed. Simply insert 2Ah batteries, and you're ready to control your TV without any delay or confusion. What sets this remote apart is its built-in learning feature. You can customize it to fit your specific needs, making your viewing experience smoother and more personal. Plus, a quick setup guide comes with the remote, so you won't waste time searching for codes or instructions. With 53 keys, this remote gives you full control over your TV functions. It also includes dedicated app shortcut keys, letting you jump straight to your favorite streaming services with just one press. That means less fumbling and more watching. One happy user shared how this remote replaced their original Sony remote after battery leakage. They were impressed by how well it worked right out of the box, no pairing, no hassle. The size and build matched the original perfectly, making it feel like a seamless swap. Another customer compared this remote to others they tried and found this one far superior. They simply added batteries and it worked flawlessly, proving that reliability doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's a straightforward solution for anyone tired of remote issues. If you've ever struggled with a remote that won't connect or respond, this Sony-compatible replacement could be the answer. It uses infrared technology, just like the original, so it works instantly and consistently every time you press a button. You don't get batteries included, but that's a small trade-off for a remote that's ready to use immediately after you add them. Its durable design and compatibility with Sony TVs make it a smart investment for anyone wanting to avoid the frustration of faulty remotes. If that's you, this replacement remote is worth a look. It offers the ease of use, customization, and direct access to streaming apps you want, without any confusing setup. Try it when you're ready to bring back simple, reliable control to your Sony TV.